Saturday. Brandon and I are headed to the farm because we're gonna pick up some rocks for my grandma's seawall. And yeah, I think that's the plan for today. I'm not sure what else we're doing. What about you, babe?
Just waiting for the truck to warm up.
It's hot outside. Well, we've got the rock.
There's a few rocks, not enough, but I don't know why they picked those small ones up.
It is getting warm out there.
What?
All right, I was sweating. Anyways, so back to the old homestead. Or are we gonna stop at Grandma's first to drop them off?
But we need to go to Walgreens.
Oh yeah, we gotta go to Walgreens.
And I'm gonna
quick.
load them right at your house. And put them back.
See you there. So, we just got down to my grandma's and unloaded all the rocks out of the bed of his truck. And I just wanted to show you guys how crazy high the water level is here. Let me show you. So this is all the seawall that's now under. And it used to come out here, and this used to all be sand. So now it's coming up to the cement seawall, which is right here. This is where we just added some of the rock right here to help maybe keep this in place. Okay, so I just got a package in from Amazon, and it was another one of the Champion hoodies. I talked about this hoodie in the last video that I made, which was my March favorites video. And I could not help myself. I had to get the gray color because these are the best. And then I'll show you guys what I'm wearing today. So, it's a super, there we go, that's a little bit better. So it's a super relaxed, chill day today at home. So I'm just wearing, these are the gray sweatpants from Victoria's Secret, like they're the joggers, the pink. And then this is also a bodysuit from PINK as well, and I love this. Just a long sleeve bodysuit. So there you go. There you have it. That's my lounge at home. Not much to it. Crazy hair. Hey guys, so now we are gonna make some dinner. I'll show you what my mom's making. We have some broccoli, and we have some rice back there cooking. And then we got our grill master out here. What's cooking, good looking? Ooh,
liver and onions.
Oh, disgusting. Some steaks. Those look really good. And we marinated it with some sesame ginger marinade.
Oh yeah. Well, actually, that works pretty well.
Ooh, those are way too big of pieces.
That looks good though.
It does. We got the little hibachi master.
I don't know how to do this though.
Remington. Rem, come here. What are you doing, bud? Oh, I'm not gonna play ball. That thing's disgusting. Okay, bye. Dinner is served, you guys. Thanks, babes. Looks so good.
Alright, this is her first attempt at cutting somebody's hair. Oh, I already screwed up.
What? Why?
You just took a big old gouge out.
I've had a glass of wine before this.
Yeah, right, whatever.
We did
Do I
it!
look any better?
Yeah, it looks good. So we're gonna end the video here for Saturday. And I'm just gonna finish off the evening with peanut butter cups and some wine. And then this guy. And we are also going to, well, if we can decide on a movie, we're gonna watch a movie. That's what we're doing tonight. We will log back on and see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, guys, and happy Easter. Currently, Brad and I are gonna make breakfast burritos. So, yeah, and then I don't really know what the plan is for the rest of the day, so we'll see. We'll keep you posted. This is the end result. Breakfast burritos for the win. Now we are going on our little family walk. It's actually gorgeous outside right now. It's like 55, kind of partly cloudy, but Brandon of course has to have his jelly beans. His
Jelly bellies. As any
sorry.
other kind of garbage.
Anyway, so yeah, we have Remington out here. We figured we'd go for a little walk and get some fresh air because being cooped up indoors all day is just, I don't know. You kind of just get sick of it. So, and it feels good to get out. So, yeah, we're just taking him for a little walk. Yep. Look at him. One happy pup right there.
All right.
All right. Well, we're going to enjoy our walk. We will talk to you guys when we get back. Hey guys, so we are now headed to Brand's parents' house for Easter. So we're gonna head that way and enjoy some family time. Yeah, so that's what we're doing, that's what we're headed up to. Any words?
Let's go.
Let's go! Thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate your support and we will see you in the next video. Bye.